This should be good because I don't know how much I actually know, but you know, all right. Yeah. Let's do this. Liberty enlightening the world. Yeah, I knew that one. You know, whatever that plated material is before it turned green, before it oxidized and turned green, it flew out of my head. We all know what it is. It's copper. Copper, hi. Does she have on her what? You know, I don't know, but I'm gonna take a guess and say 13. Okay. The continents. I don't know. That's it? Yearning to be breathe free? Is that it? Yeah. I'm a Lazarus. They say his mother, but that might not be true. They think it's maybe a model that modeled for him when he spent time here in New York City at some point, maybe in the 1860s. So nobody knows. Yeah, July 4th, 1776. She has on some sandals and she's stepping on a shackle. That dog don't care. You got me slipping and sliding on here.